Students, I'm here to tell you all about our VJB portal where we are going to study English for class 10th. Let's move ahead. Yes, myself Devarchana Roy, your English teacher for this session. Here I would like to welcome you all where by sitting at home the complete education will be provided to you through this portal system. Class 10 is the most important session for in everyone's life where we need to take care of all the subjects. Here I am going to tell you about the whole session's English portion which you all need to overcome. Let's move ahead. Here we are having the NCERT books which have been prescribed by CBSE. First one is the first flight. Second is the Footprint Without Feet. Footprint Without Feet is the supplementary book. We have many lessons along with poem. We will be seeing what all we are going to cover. These books are going to develop your linguistic part in a much better manner. So, we need to go through them very carefully. Please, children, take care of your studies and work hard. Now, the workbook which has been prescribed by CBSE is along with you all, which will improve your abstract reasoning and analytical ability. Along with this, you are having your content for the first book of your course, where you are going to go through all the syllabus of your portion along with the poems with various writers. They are going to improve your capability of linguistic part, your knowledge, your vocab and many more. Along with this, children, it has been included because your moral value should also be enhanced. So, we will be seeing that how it is going to help us. Similarly, this is the course content of the next book, supplementary book, Footprint Without Feet, where we are having 10 lessons for the whole session. Then we will be going through the things which have been covered as the blueprint, that is the marks weightage. Children, we need to take care that in the whole year we have two types of basic exams. One is the periodic test which is conducted in each and every school. The other one is the term exams. Periodic test, it will be conducted as per the CBSE norms, that is of 20 marks. If I am talking about term exam, this term exam will consist of 80 marks. It will be divided into 3 basic sections. The reading part 20 marks, writing with grammar 30 marks, literature textbook and supplementary textbook 30 marks. Now, children, we need to take care of these marks, so we have to work hard a lot. These are the things which we are going to cover in the whole session. Now, along with this, we have some aims and objectives why we all are studying English. And what is going to help us to develop. To build proficiency in reading and speaking skill, enhancement of listening and writing skill, use appropriate English to communicate, to build competence in the different aspects of English. So these are the basic aim and objectives of English which we are going to try to inculcate in you all. Now we are going to move ahead with few tips. Tips in the sense how to improve your English, how to improve your vocab, how to improve your imagination, how to improve your self-confidence, how to improve your language, summarizing everything, discussion, communication, everything will be included. So, few tips are as follows. You should get a preview of each and every lesson. Mark vocabulary properly so that you can enhance your knowledge. Correlate with self. Summarize. Verbalize to others. So these are the best few tips for you all to improve your English. Hereby, I would like to say all the best for your future children. Keep learning, stay safe, take care. Goodbye.